Prince Andrew took a secret trip to Bahrain last week in order to try and secure a role as an intermediary between the West and Gulf states during the energy crisis, sources have claimed. The Duke of York reportedly flew on a private jet, owned by a Swiss billionaire, to the country. The prince also has been close with the royal family of the country, sources said, and stayed in an extremely luxurious hotel while he was there. Sources told The Sun that Prince Andrew fancies his chances at the unofficial mediator role in the country, which is located between Saudi Arabia and the site of the recently started Football World Cup, Qatar. Insiders told the outlet he was on holiday there as a privately funded guest. His accommodation is said to have been a 5-star, all expenses paid hotel provided by his friends in the country's royal family. The Four Seasons Hotel in Manama is so fancy that they reportedly serve their coffee in 24-karat gold cups, and has a royal suite that costs £8,600 a night. The royal suite is described online as a lush urban island resort. According to other sources quoted by the outlet, the royal is looking to become a government special representative for international trade and investment. He is said to believe he could convince Saudi Arabia to increase their oil production. Insiders told The Sun, Prince Andrew no longer has a wide circle of friends, but royal families do have a habit of sticking together. There are people, in Bahrain, who have been loyal to the Queen's son and have deep pockets.
Thank you.